Hi there, my name is Miles. I'm the head trainer of Mixology Group. I've been perfecting my skills for the last 20 years. Today, how to make a Bramble. We're going to use a lemon, a little bit of sugar syrup, some lovely Ditchling Gin and a Blackberry Liqueur. What we need to do is grab a glass, and this glass is a rocks glass. So we're going to make the entire drink in this glass. No need for anything complicated like shakers. So let's crack on with the ingredients. So as always, we're going to grab our lemon and we're going to cut it through the equator, giving us 2 equal halves. So again, in the bar world, we tend to use these handheld citrus presses, but for you guys at home, simply grab a fork, place it into the cut half of the lemon and squeeze over the fork, allowing you to squeeze as much juice out as possible. All we need to do now is pour in 1 measure of the lemon juice. Don't worry about adding ice yet. Next, we need to add in some sugar syrup. And again, it's just 1 measure of the sugar syrup. Now you guys can make this really easily at home. All you need is a cup of sugar and a cup of hot water. Right, now for the fun stuff. We're going to grab our Ditchling Gin. I'm going to pop in a double measure. So that's pretty much the liquid components of the drink done. And all we now need to do is fill this glass with some crushed ice. Now, how to make crushed ice at home? Very, very simply, grab yourself a dishcloth and grab a heavy base pan and just beat it up until you get some beautiful fresh crushed ice. Simply pour it in. Now you need to work really fast. So now I'm going to use a bar spoon, but at home simply grab a dessert spoon or any long handle spoon that you can, and we're just going to use the bowl side of the spoon to just churn the crushed ice through the drink, adding a little bit of water that you need to make this drink fabulous. Okay, there we go, nice and simple. And now the finale. We're going to grab our creme de mure or Blackberry Liqueur. If you don't have Blackberry Liqueur, you can just use a well-known brand of blackcurrant cordial. Okay, all we need to simply do is very, very slowly pour your creme de mure over your lovely gin, lemon juice and sugar so it bleeds through the crushed ice, giving you this fabulous look that we have now. Just a little crown of crushed ice on top. Now to finish off the drink, super simple. Unfortunately this time of year blackberries aren't necessarily in season, but we will put some 2 paper straws in. And then we're going to garnish it with a lovely lemon wedge. Now to cut the lemon wedge, it's very, very simple. Grab a lovely lemon, but this time we're going to cut from pole to pole. Place your knife on a 45-degree angle and cut through, giving yourself a really nice, thick lemon wedge. And there we have a fantastic Bramble. Enjoy, guys.